Hello, welcome sa Raven Speaks Tarot channel. This is Raven and I will be doing another Love Collective reading today. Kung ikaw ay bago pa lang sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na at i-click ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga posts ko. Note that this is only a general reading, so it may or may not resonate sa'yo. Okay? Maybe I'm reading your person's energy or yung sa'yo or someone else energy. Okay, so let's start. Spirit guides and angels, please give us a message. Hey, may lumabas na agad. Let's not take that card. Spirit guides and angels, please give us a message for the collective reading today. Please give us a message for the collective reading today. Temperance, Justice, Judgment, Seven of Cups, Chariot, Ace of Wands. At the bottom of the deck, Knight of Swords. So, I feel that this reading is about a past person na gustong bumalik sa buhay mo. I feel that this person is thinking of ways kung paano ka i-approach pabalik sa buhay niya, and I feel that this person really wanted to balance yung connection nyo, and sa tingin ko itong person na to was very confused regarding your relationship at first. Maybe itong person na to masyado siyang na-overwhelmed sa relationship nyo. However, I feel that though this person is very passionate towards you and does really like you, I feel that this person is really overwhelmed about your connection. So, itong person na to, possible na dahil na-overwhelm nga siya, is bigla na lang siyang nawala sa'yo or hindi na nagparamdam sa'yo. However, I feel that this person wanted to be back and to balance out your connection. Okay? Let's check more of their feelings and intentions. Let's ask what's the hidden truth, or kung ano yung gustong sabihin ng person mo sa'yo pero hindi niya masabi-sabi. Let's ask what's the hidden truth of this person. What's the hidden truth of this person? I will wait for a sign from you. I knew exactly what I was doing. I look for you everywhere. At the bottom of the deck, I replay our conversations over and over. So, I feel that this person is not speaking with you right now. And I see that since na-overwhelm nga itong taong to sa inyong dalawa, sa relationship ng dalawa, and siguro itong person mo is siya yung taong hindi sanay na pumasok sa isang seryosong relationship. However, I see that this person has kumbaga marami ng relationship na dumaan dito sa person to, and nung dumaan ka nga sa kanya, naging karelasyon mo siya, and I feel that masyado siyang na-overwhelm, kaya na paatras siya or biglang lumayo sa'yo. Feeling ko itong person mo na to is kumbaga ngayon lang niya naramdaman itong kind of relationship sa buong buhay niya. Then so sa ngayon, sa nakikita ko, he's currently checking on options on how to talk to you, how to balance out this connection, and kung nag-iisip tong taong to ng option or nag-aantay to ng sign from you para para umusad or kausapin kanya ulit. Let's say for example, maybe you two are friends on the social media, then you like his posts. So parang it's a sign from him na to speak with you, na maybe he will speak with you on a casual basis, like, hello, kumusta ka na, ganyan. But deep down, deep inside of this person, he wants to bring back your connection the way it was before, kung ano kayo yung dati. So there's a possibility that this person would want to level up the relationship. Okay? I feel as well that this person, nung lumayo to sa'yo, he tried to look for you everywhere. I see that this person check out some people on his circle. However, I see that there is no one that compares to you. Iba yung naging impact mo sa buhay niya, compared sa mga previous relationship niya. And I see that ngayon lang ng person mo na to ngayon lang niya na-realize, or ngayon lang nangyari sa buhay niya itong ganitong klase ng relationship. Kumbaga, sobrang laki na naging impact mo sa buhay niya. And okay, so let's ask for advice. Let's ask for an advice. Okay. Let's ask spirit guides and angels, please give us an advice for the collective. 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 Spirit guides and angels, please give us an advice for the collective. Eight of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Page of Cups. At the bottom of the deck, Lovers. I feel that there is a decision that this person would need to make in order to create a new start para sa inyong dalawa. Sa ngayon, sa nakikita ko, he or she is being blinded, kasi sa tingin ko hindi niya alam kung paano pa i-approach ulit. So however, his or her intentions sa'yo is to speak with you na, to see you, to kumbaga makabanding ka ulit. Ito yung mga intentions ng taong to, and possible sabihin na nito yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo, and possible na pwedeng mag-level up yung relationship niyo. I advise for the collective that you when this person approaches you, I advise that you stand your ground and you speak the truth, i-ask mo kung ano talaga yung intentions nitong person na to sa'yo, if he's still the person na babalik sa buhay mo, and if aalis lang siya sa buhay mo, ikaw, that's for you to decide, diba? Kasi nandito na yung intentions ng person mo na puntahan ka, na mag-start ulit ng new connection sa'yo. However, itong person mo na to, nakikita ko natatakot siyang mag-start ulit kasi ayaw niya ng rejections. So it's up to you if you still want to connect with this person, if you wanted to be friends or level up the relationship. Okay? I see that this person's intention naman is pure para sa'yo. However, na-overwhelm lang siya before kasi itong nung naging nung naka-relationship ka niya, or there is a possibility na mutual relationship pa lang kayo, wala pa kayo sa boyfriend and girlfriend. Natakot, feeling ko, sa tingin ko, or feeling ko, natakot itong person na to sa kumbaga future, sa magiging future nyo, kung magiging kayo ba, ano bang mangyayari, ganun. Kaya feeling ko itong person na to is umatras. However, I see na nagkaroon, itong person mo is regretting what happened na and wanted to be back sa'yo. So, I advise that you think things through, pag-isipan mo mabuti if this is the person that you want to be with as a partner, as a boyfriend or a girlfriend, or someone to be with for the rest of your life. Okay? So, let's ask for angel's answers. Okay? Let's ask for an angel's answers. Please give us an angel's answers for the collective reading today. Please give us an angel's answers for the collective reading today. Okay, you're ready. And at the bottom of the deck, communicate clearly. So, as an advice, when you're ready, physically, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally, when you're ready na kausapin mo na siya, then you speak with him or her, you tell him or ask him or her what is his or her intentions para sa'yo, and from there, you would decide if you wanted to reconnect with this person. Okay? So, speak clearly and speak to him or her when you're ready. Okay? So, ayun lang mga ka-Ravens. Thank you again for watching this video, and I hope and I'll see you again in our future readings. Okay? Love and light.